Hello, it's Dwayne the Success King. You've now learned about the law of vibration. Your feelings create energy. The law of attraction. What you focus on comes to you. The law of reversibility. Feel the outcome first, and the reality always follows. The law of detachment. After doing your part, let go of controlling timing or method. These laws are like a team in your brain and heart. When you use them all together, you don't just hope for a business, you form it from your identity, action, and rest. Today we'll show you how to do that each day so that your calling unfolds naturally with clarity, calm, and confidence. Now, before we do it, I want you to do me one favor. I want you to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so that you know every time we share great insights and information just like this. Now, let's begin. How do the four laws fit together? I want you to think of it like baking a cake. Vibration is choosing the ingredients, your emotional energy. Attraction is like mixing with purpose, your focus and affirmations. Reversibility is like preheating the oven emotionally, feeling from the end. And then detachment is like letting it bake without poking, trusting timing and smooth flow. If you skip one step, like not preheating or not letting go, the cake doesn't rise. But if you follow all parts, you get a good result. Here's how to work and how it will work in your life if you allow it. Vibration. You shift your energy to calm, hopeful, confident. Attraction. You focus your mind on your calling, not fear nor lack. Reversibility. You feel from the outcome you want. Proud, peaceful. Come on, feeling precedes form. Detachment. You take action, then release, needing it a certain way. These steps support each other. Energy aligns with focus. Feeling aligns with that energy. Action happens easily, and letting go keeps momentum and peace at the same time. Now, my story, when all four laws came together. Let me tell you a real moment in my business. Vibration. I was feeling tired and worried. Not only were things going on in my business, but there was so much going on in my life. I paused and did a quick gratitude list. Walked outside, breathed deeply. That raised my energy into calmness and hope. Attraction. Next, I wrote my calling. I serve purpose-driven entrepreneurs to build profitable businesses with faith and integrity. From that focus, I wrote affirmations. I attract clients aligned with purpose and integrity. I read them with belief. Reversibility. Then I closed my eyes and pictured clients thanking me, sharing stories of impact. Inside, I felt steady, pride, calm, peace, and confidence like I already had it. I held that feeling for a few minutes. Then there came inspired action. With that aligned feeling, I sent personal messages, shared a post from a calm heart, planned an event, not rushed, but intentional. Then detachment. Finally, I said aloud, I trust the timing and way this vision comes. I let go of how or when it must happen. I stopped checking results and stayed present in faithful work. Within a few days, 2 perfect clients enrolled. A partnership invitation came and a better timing option emerged. All because I used all 4 laws. My energy, focus, feeling, action, and rest aligned. And something bigger came through than what I had planned. So here's a step-by-step daily practice routine that will make this work. In the morning, we've got vision. Write one line. I serve purposeful entrepreneurs, for example. Vibration. Do gratitude. Trust me, gratitude opens everything. Walk, breathe, move. Lift your energy. Attraction. Read affirmations that are based on your calling. Say them with feeling. Reversibility. Close your eyes. Picture a scene that shows your vision. Feel two feelings. Example, peace and impact. Hold that present tense. Midday. Here's an inspired action. Choose one aligned task and do it from your high vibe feeling. That task might be light or flowy instead of heavy, but do it. In the evening, every evening, check your vibe. How do you feel? How calm am I or not calm? Am I anxious or not? Reset with reversibility. If you feel stuck, take a moment to feel your future emotions again. It's a choice. Detachment ritual. Say, I release how and when this unfolds. I trust God's timing. Gratitude reflection. Write one small sign or shift of alignment you noticed. Then you can do a weekly reset. Once a week, do a longer session. Revisit your vision, feelings, reviews, and re-anchor your calling. Let go deeply of neediness to prepare your energy for bigger alignment. Now, there's some small stories and warnings. There's a story of expected opportunity. I once released control of a launch date. A bigger opportunity showed up. Partner program that I had doubled its reach. It exceeded my plan because I let go and stayed aligned. There was a story of a revenue shift. I was stuck in the numbers. Have you ever been stuck in the numbers? I shifted to focus and feeling first. I wrote an email calmly from belief. 2 high-tier clients signed up. The revenue leap happened when energy, belief, action, and release aligned. Trust me, it happens. And there's some common pitfalls that we can fall into if we're not careful. Force without detachment will bring you to burnout. Affirmations alone without focus will bring you empty words. Feeling hype versus calm is going to equal emotional roller coaster. Reddit users say the power comes in ordinary belief, not desperate excitement. Avoid micromanaging your plan. Release narrow expectations. Trust this or something better. Oh my. Say it with me if you will. This or something better. You know, we got to do that one more time. This or something better. You see, because I'm dealing with something that wants to try to make me think it's not going to be this, it's actually going to be something worse. No. Release your narrow expectations. It's going to be this or something better. Now, real life integration. Example, one morning I felt stuck. I grabbed my gratitude and shifted vibration. I grabbed a hold of my gratitude. Sometimes gratitude is seemingly fleeting. You have to grab a hold of your thank you, your grateful heart. I reconnected with the calling and rewrote affirmations into new inspired sentences. I visualized my ideal client saying, thank you for changing my work. I let myself feel satisfied peace. Then I sent a thoughtful email to 2 people and created a new blog post, not from neediness, but calm clarity. Later, I spoke the phrase, trust timing. Let outcome unfold in a perfect way. A few days later, a client signed up privately. Another coach had referred me, and a speaking offer arrived when I was not expecting to speak anywhere. None were forced. They came gently as I held energy, focus, feeling, action, and release. So here is your final prompts and your invitation. Your challenge for the next 7 days is this. Each morning, do your full rhythm. That's vision, vibration, attraction, reversibility, and action. Each evening, reset and detach. Check your vibe. Feel again. Release outcome. Reflect gratitude. Journal one shift every day. Today, I felt blank as though my calling is happening. Write it out. Share your small wins or peace moments in comments. When all 4 laws dance together, and they will, your identity, energy, beliefs, and trust, they create the container for your calling to grow. You're not forcing results. You're aligning inside out. If you're ready to go deeper in energy plus action integration, I'm here to support you. Drop a line below if you're in. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you for walking through this series with me. It's time to live your calling fully. I want you to know you should take it so personal that you have been drawn into this material now. These 5 videos in this series are going to take you where you want to be in your work and your calling. It doesn't matter what has been, you've operated the best you could with the level of conscious awareness you had. But now, as that's expanding, watch your results expand too. I want you to be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.